Hey everyone, welcome to the very first video of LinkedIn bot series right here on a knowledge transfer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a smart, fully automated job application bot that searches for jobs on LinkedIn, filter out irrelevant results, and even sends personalized messages to recruiter, all without writing a single line of code. This is a perfect project if you are a job seeker, freelancer, or someone who wants to learn real world automation using Power Automate Desktop. Let's get into what this bot actually does and what you will need to build it. Alright, let's break down what this LinkedIn job bot actually does. It sends by reading a list of job search keywords from an Excel file like Python developer, automation tester, or remote freelancer. For each keyword, it opens LinkedIn job and performs search. It applies filters like date posted last 24 hours, job type, part-time and temporary, location is remote. Then it loops through each job result on the page. For each job, it checks whether the job poster's profile is visible. If yes, it opens their profile and check their designation like HR recruiter or talent acquisition, their location or a country. If the person's isn't in a skip list and they are not from a excluded country, the bot sends them a personalized message using a message template. The best part, it replaces placeholders like name, title, location, or job URL with actual data. So every messages looks personal. So let's take practical example. Say you are a freelancer looking for a remote automation job. You want to contact hiring manager, not a recruiter, and only in certain countries like UK, US, or Canada. This bot will search for a job based on your keywords, apply in a right filters, skip recruiters and unwanted regions, and send customized outreach messages to decision makers automatically. So it saves your hours for manual efforts and increase your chance of getting the responses. Okay, so let's check here a quick rundown of files we will use to configure the bot. So first one is a JobKeywords.xlsx. This file contains all your job search terms. Just one column called keywords is enough. The second one is a SendText.txt. This file holds your messages template. You can use a placeholder like name, title, location, and a job URL to create personalized message. Next one is Designation.txt. This file includes comma separated job title that you want to skip like HR, recruiter, etc. And the last one is country include text. This file lists the countries you want to be avoid messaging like China, Russia, Brazil, etc. So the bot will check against this list before messaging anyone. Let's talk about the tools and setup. Power Automate Desktop, this is a main tool we will use to automate in browser and actions. It's free and run on Windows 10 or 11. A LinkedIn account, you must stay logged in into your LinkedIn account in your browser before running the bot. Microsoft Excel requires to read the job keywords list. A text editor, you will use Notepad or similar tool to create and edit the TXT files configuration. That's it. No paid tools, no coding knowledge required here. Let's go here to a simple overview of how the bot will flow. When you start the plot, it will go to read Excel and then next applying loop on keywords. Next is open LinkedIn, apply filters, then loop through the jobs, check the job poster, check title and country, and finally send the message. We will build each of these steps in upcoming videos one by one. That's all for the introduction video. In the next part, we will build the first component, reading the keywords from Excel and looping through them in a Power Automate desktop. This is foundation step that powers the rest of our automation. So if you are excited to build this bot with me, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below, I'm building this. When this full series is completed, I will share all the template and flow files with you. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.